Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to create an objective organizer using the journal app. Just open the app and click on create, then select sample journals and then browse the templates. They are very useful, but now we need a objective organizer. From here click on use this journal, wait a few seconds, and then you can easily edit these pages. You can customize them by adding stickers, for example, and you can even add more pages. If you go back, you can see that the objective organizer is right here from now on, so you can see it when you open the app the next time. Thanks for watching. I hope it will be useful for you.